Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Jumaila. Here I will present my assessment entail the implementation of single picture to test describing thing orally to vocational high school to improve speaking ability. From academic speaking, introduction. Vocational high school graduate experiment different in the working environment, especially in speaking English in public. Vocational High School is Harry for after school Wahyuni 2001. I said that actually education is for the qualification of the how are ready to combat and take up job in our working environment. In addition, Kertajaya 2000 now, Indonesia has the some days to from competent working as vocational student. The vocational student has communicated well, such as when explaining the projects. They also have as probability of the products to so they have to know expert English skill. Also, they have to know active English skill. Speaking is a skill for early English for learning student. Hamrod Novinda 2017 did the speaking activity for communication designed to English for communication. Students are asked to actually two things, language and I should be the main focus of sub-7. A teacher must cross the best media to taught speaking skill. My high school Skoria 2030 believe a good teacher is a teacher who's able to create a fun learning environment. BN Motivational Speaking and Hype Person. Therefore, Al Arif 2019 said that is the teaching and learning progress media are defined as all the project the media the learning progress. The best media are media that must be interesting and appropriate for students to as learning objective. Teacher don't have to pick up expensive, up-to-date, or fixed media. For now, Setimavani entry 2019 start the teachers so understand the power of the media as of learning. The, the benefit of learning by use media in determining the quality of learning them by a teacher. And what teacher and to prepare learning media before teaching speaking in class. It is today the owl is a single picture to describe things orally. The media helps students to create ideas from what they have seen. Therefore, we now descriptive faulty. In addition, students how explain something in detail and clearly. More ideas will dream up more descriptive sentences. If they need some private, they can look and the single image their brain is auto to enter the idea. Method is set the owner focus on important speaking ability by using a single picture to describing orally at vocational high school. Therefore, this study design was classroom action realistic See are right. Pameran is the issue data 2019 Stardust Classroom Action rasa a type of study that is free of that action taken by class carry him out, expanding their hours ham for the action made in two important the implement the wise the he of the learning are done comparably. Planning, taking teacher, moderator the soul, and reflecting are the four focus in the design for action classroom action relax. Feeding and discussion. Number one, feeding with Kresge. Number two, secondly, classroom activities, student response, and student speaking result. Number three, education. The important journal of single picture to describe the role. Number two, the student respond to the implementation of single picture to describe things orally. Conclusion: the student describe the theme fully and produce many sentences to speak up their ideas. The single picture helps them get more ideas from the magic and characteristics. The student can get an idea from the places of it, then functional and characteristic of the things. The student grow into the speaking ability how of the speaking score. Study has the single picture in author English skill.